Super easy to make the best broccoli ever, just in minutes. So I filled my round mold with the broccoli. There's no added water, oil, nothing. It's just broccoli in the FlexiPan mold. And now I'm gonna cover it with my octagonal bond mat. And I'm gonna, because that's full, pop that in the microwave for 3 minutes. Every microwave varies, so it might be 2 minutes in your microwave. Wait to see the result. Okay, it's finished. Now let me show you this steam coming off of this broccoli. Oh my goodness, look at that gorgeous color. Those nutrients are staying in there so you can enjoy them. And you can look, steaming hot, and I can hold the mold. How amazing is that, you guys? So now you can season it however you want. I love to use a little bit of our French pantry oil and herb blends, salt and pepper. You pick, ready to go, on the table in 3 minutes.